So here's a closer look at the solar powered bird feeder that was gifted to me. I am very excited. I just set it up. If you're interested in getting this, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the setup, installation, how it went, and what you can expect. In the box, you will find everything that you need to set this up and get it going. You have your base, you have your camera with the protector as well as the base and some accessories that it brings. This also brings a good setup, like a screwdriver and all the mounting parts. So you'll pretty much just snap everything together, as you can see here. You snap the clear part where the camera goes with the base, and then you pretty much just snap in the roof of the house essentially. And then you can add your accessories. So I do suggest adding the camera in first before you add your accessories. I noticed it was would have been easier if I had done that, but adding the camera is also very easy. You pretty much just push it inside. So you could see here, you could just push it in and then you connect the cable in the back to the solar panels that you see. So here's a closer look at this beautiful solar powered bird feeder. As you can see, the setup was pretty easy. It did not take me long at all. And so it brings this little reservoir for hummingbirds that I did fill up with water, another little jar for the food, and a little fork, which I did put an orange. You can see here the food does overflow here to make it easy for them to access. And as it goes, it does continue to leak down. And the reservoir for the food is quite large. Easy to fill up. You can just take this out and then refill it like that, or if you have it mounted, same thing. I did hang mine because I have these hooks, but it comes with a mounting bracket as well. And so here is the solar panel, so you should be able to have this working all the time without having to charge it because the sun should be powering it. And very nice. It's a nice plastic material, seems pretty sturdy. I have lots of birds here, so I'm very excited to see the new rare kinds of birds I get now. I could watch them live, and so this is a really good option if you love birds and you like to watch them and you have a yard or any area where you could hang this up and you could see all the birds that come to your land. So definitely recommend checking it out. And here's just a quick view of what you can expect to see in the camera. It's got a really good quality, the recording, and I've had several different birds come here. So it's been really nice to watch it in the recording. And there's also been even some squirrels. And a really cool feature about this is that it's got like a, other animal deterrent. So you could use that if you wanted to deter squirrels as well. So really fun birdhouse to build and really fun to get to experience it.